Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another Hey RVW. Today's question comes from Mike, and Mike's asking, why are Class Bs so popular? Mike, that's a great question. Class Bs have always been just a very, very thin segment of the RV industry. You didn't see a lot of them on the road, but in the last 2 years they've gone crazy. So it's a great question. Why are they so popular? Simply put, most of them are very, very fuel efficient. Second reason is they fit anywhere a normal car or van would fit, right? It's just a van with the inside redone. Some have tops that pop up, like the Rise by Thor Motor Coach, for example, that gives you extra sleeping space, sort of like a tent on your roof, if you will. But the main reason is incredibly fuel efficient, and they can go anywhere. You know, some people used to get in trouble out west with the big Class A's. There'd be some roads that they couldn't go on because of arches and stuff they couldn't get through, things like that. Where again, with the Class B, you can go anywhere at any time. There's really no limitations to it at all. So those are the two reasons we think they're so popular, is fuel efficiency and just the ability to go everywhere. The other thing is people can use them as an automobile when they're home. And a lot of folks are doing that, right? They use it to transport the kids or the sports team, things like that. If you are interested in a Class B, have questions, give us a call at 877-877-4494. We have several lines. We take great care of you. You can get our incredible service and our incredibly fair price. And please make sure that if you have a question, you submit it to our YouTube page or our Facebook page. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page and follow us on Facebook.